Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today we're going to check out the July Boxycharm by Ipsy. If you are not familiar with Boxycharm by Ipsy, it is one of the subscriptions that Ipsy offers, and it is going to be only full-size items. You will get at least 5 full-size items. The cost is going to be $30 a month. With this box, you will be able to choose a few of your items, and Ipsy will choose a few of your items, so you do get some control over it. You can, of course, fill out your beauty profile with Ipsy and just let them know what your preferences are in your color. I don't know that it really makes a big difference, but you can do that. So what I've done this month, I started the Beauty Boost, which is an additional $15 a month upgrade to the $30 subscription box. And it will let me pick from different full-size products that will have at least a $40 value. So I'll show you which one I picked for this month, and I'm not sure I'll keep it for every month, but it's $15 a month, and I did get a very good product this month, so I'm excited. So let's check and see what came in our July Boxycharm by Ipsy. And I'm in the afternoon, so I've got my sun dollops like we do sometimes, but this is the time of day it is, so we're going to go with it. In the box, we have our paper, our little booklet, and our products, of course. The booklet is going to have some information that is for our products, and it will have some other information that's just general beauty tips and fun information. So we'll see if the information for the products that are in this box are in the pamphlet. If so, we will refer to this later on. So first I want to show you what Ipsy picked for my box. The first pick that Ipsy chose for me is actually a really cool palette. This is a Laura Geller eyeshadow palette, and this is the Wildflower Wishes, and this is Seasonless Staples. So this is going to have 14 pans. This is a 14 pan palette. So I'm very excited for this one. I love the colors. I can see it looked like a really pretty palette when they showed what the picks were for it. So I'm excited. So the inside looks very much like the outside. We have our cardboard packaging and the clear plastic covering, but the colors that are in here are just beautiful. There are a mix of, it looks like every other row is a matte shimmer, and so on. So the colors that we have in here, you can see, are just really pretty. There's a reason they call it seasonless, because you could easily take this palette from summer, fall, winter, spring. This is going to be some gorgeous looks regardless of what time of the year you're using this. And this is just the kind of shades I love. So I'm excited for that one. And this again is the Wildflower Wishes eyeshadow palette from Laura Geller. Let's check and see if it has the value in our booklet. This does not have the information for this palette, so I'll look it up and I'll post it on the screen for you. But gorgeous palette from Laura Geller. Love her stuff. She's always got really pretty, ageless, seasonless, timeless looks. So really pretty for that one. The next product that Ipsy picked for me is from Goldfaden MD, and this says that if the problem is dry and aging skin, the solution is Wake Up Call for overnight. So an overnight face mask cream, the overnight cream. This is a 2-ounce container. This one also is not on the pamphlet. The pamphlet doesn't look like it's going to be super helpful for our box, but again, I will get the value and I'll post it on the screen so you can see it. Probably going to have to do that with all the items in this box, but that's all right. There is some other good cool stuff in that pamphlet, so let's check and see what our next item is. Our next item is a Dr. Brandt product, and this is one that I chose, and this is a hydrating serum to highlighter illuminator. So this is a really cool product. This is going to be, again, I'll post the price for the retail for that in the corner here. But this is going to be a serum that this is going to be a product that goes from a treatment serum to a highlighter. So I'm excited to try that. This has ashwagandha extract, camellia seed extract, and I think that's all it is. I take ashwagandha to chill out at night, so maybe it'll help. It's good for your face too. Who knows? So that's a really good product. I picked this one from Dr. Brandt, and again, a full-size product, and I will post the price for that. The next product I chose is a LaRousse makeup brush set, and LaRousse brushes are really nice, and they're really expensive. So this is going to be an eyeshadow set. I will post the price here in the corner as well, but you have your packing brush, your blending brushes, and you have your packing brush, your blending brush, and your just general use brushes. And these are really nice. They look like they have kind of a, The handle of it is rubberized a bit. It has a texture. It's really nice. So that is a really cool brush. And you can see they're really pretty. They're well packed. LaRousse makes amazing brushes. My sister actually, we both have things that are, if it's in there, it's mine. Calls. Krista's is LaRousse brushes. She loves these brushes. So these go to her. Plus they're pink, so that's not a bad. She likes that as well. So they came in a really cute little faux leather little case. So it's a little vegan leather, and it says LaRousse on the front with a snap. So it does have really cute brush packaging, so you can take this as you go. So that was my next pick. I'm very excited for that one. Really cool brushes. My next pick is from Wing Me, and this is an eye primer. Wing Me is super cute, and I had some brushes I might have given them away. I had some brushes from Wing Me that were really nice, and they all have this kind of purple ombre shading, so they're really pretty. But this is going to be a good eye primer product to help your eyeshadow stay put. I have allergies, so I wipe my eyes a lot. So if I get something that can help my eyeshadow stay on, I'm all over that. So I picked a good eye primer. I hope it's a good eye primer. We'll check it out and see. So the last item in my box is my boost. The item I picked for my beauty boost is the Grown Alchemist, and this is the Instant Smoothing Serum, and this is actually a $55 value. So for my $15 boost, I got a $55 product. So that is really great. And this is going to be that amber squeezy bottle tube. So got my Grown Alchemist in there. So the Grown Alchemist was my boost item, and again, additional $15 upgrade that you can add to your Boxycharm subscription if you want to. And of course, you can cancel it at any time, the boost, if you don't want to keep it on there. But for my box, again, $30 base price, $15 extra for the boost. I got some amazing products in here. I will gather up all the cost and show you what the value of this box is here in the corner, so you can see for yourself what the value is for Boxycharm. If you are interested in getting your own subscription, check out the link below. I will leave that in there for you. If you enjoyed going through this box with me today and would like to see more content like this, please hit that subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me. I hope you hit that like button and hit that notifications bell as well, so you don't miss out on future uploads. For now, I want to thank you so much for joining me on Beth Unboxes, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.